just on this diagram. So we will move to the next. This it's about the degrees, how to locate the zones, and which are the zones related to degrees as well, with precisions. For example, we can clearly see, if I zoom in the north zone, you will see on the north zone there are red lines which indicate what are the degrees associated to the north zone, to the northeast zone, and which are also which are these attributes. For example, like we mentioned earlier in the slide, money, opportunities, health and immunity, clarity and mind, and all. And what are the organs related to the particular zone, to the particular direction. And we can also clearly see the combination of the elements. And what are the degrees related to all the other elements. We have all the combination with this. I would say this is related to the Shakti chakra with the degrees inside. So sorry, I just move to the next slide. Okay, this is, for example, the northeast zone. How we locate the northeast zone, which represents in the blue, which is indicated in blue color, which is related to the health and immunity of the inhabitants of a space. So each zone is identified for a specific degree, a specific angular direction facing of that particular zone. So you can clearly see on this diagram that there are other zones, which is a total of 16 zones, as we mentioned earlier. And for example, if anyone having an issue in terms of health, we will locate this zone and find out what are the sources of imbalance. And as we know well, health related to water. So what are the elements what are the colors present, what are the objects, what is the basic activity of this zone, and what is causing difficulty in terms of health. So this is the basic of what we do in Vastu, is to identify the particular zone and find out the specific object or any kind of thing that is causing the imbalance. So we move to the next slide. I think yeah, sorry. I've taken a micro of what's inside the northeast zone as it relates to health. Just to let you know that what are the fields present inside the zone are the immunity fields. You've got the carrier field in the name of Apahavatsa. Apaha relates to the healing booster fields, and Aditi relates to the peace-giving field. So this is an overview of what are the fields that are present between 11.25 degrees and 33.75 degrees of a particular space in a building. So we will identify from these degrees, we will locate this zone, which starts from 11.25 to 33.75, and identify which are the imbalance and what may be causing, for example, a low immunity system, or if someone is taking much more time to get healed. So we'll locate the healing booster fields. So as per the symptoms, we will identify the zones and locate what are the imbalance. And now I've taken a bit I will say an overview of the southwest zone, which relates to skills, which relates to stability, which is an earth zone, earth element zone. So here we've got the protective field, uh, um, known as Indra. We've got the curiosity field, related name is Mriga. We've got the inverter fields, and we've got the Jaya field, the caretaker field. All right. So these are the fields, the energy fields that relates to our southwest zone and relates to skills and relates to relationship, relates to where we, for example, Jaya is the caretaker field, and this is where the caring attitude of of the inhabitants is related to. So if ever there's any disbalance in terms of caretaking, in terms of family bonding, we locate the zone and identify what are the imbalance related to what the symptoms are. We locate the zone and find out the imbalance and what are the solution that we provide to the people, to the inhabitants of the house. So 11.25 degrees to 33.75 degrees is what we what relates to the southwest zone, and we'll see what are the next zone as well. North-northwest, which relates to this range of degrees, is what relates to the holder field, the craving field, and the caretaker field, which we mentioned earlier, is related to the same elements. So these are the fields that we take into consideration in the north-northwest, and these are the degrees that we take into account when we have symptoms related to that. Now we move to the entrance effects.